Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. I am Muttir Raviteja and my teammate name is Mannam Lakshmi Rishit Reddy. We are glad to have this opportunity and our theme is reimagining customer experience with emerging technologies. We named our product as Socialens Ai. Let's get into it. Let's get into the problem statement. The problem statement. Here the main shopping pain points are decision paralysis, lack of trust, impersonal experience and isolated shopping. Where the decision paralysis mean, see there will be many choices for a customer to buy a product. For a same purpose there would be many products, so there would be an inconvenience to choose a product like the price variations, quality variations and etc. And lack of trust. See in India, any man, even if a man is doing a work, that means the work has been done by any other man successfully or not. See, we mainly depend on others' opinions in Indian regions. And next, impersonal experience, where here the generic misses the emotional construct. And next, the isolated shopping, where the people seek validations from trusted sources. So next, the core issue. The core issue here is the traditional e-commerce treats shopping as an individual, but humans are social beings who make better decisions with trusted network input. Now, the solution we propose is Socialens Ai, where it consists of four main components. Personal AI assistant, which first knows the preferences, budgets, and values. Next, the social commerce neural network, where it leverages the trusted networks collective wisdom. Next, the hybrid decision making. Here, based on all the input we gave and the input we extract from the social commerce neural network, it processes and gives us a find product based on our expectations. It combines the personal needs with the social validation. Next, the privacy first architecture protects while connecting the users. Next, let's get into why it would work. Let's see. If this would has been, this would work because the market validation in the social commerce will be 2.9 trillion by 2026, and the 76% people are being influenced by the social media nowadays. You see, even whenever we open the Instagram, there would be many people who are being who purchases the product which is being showing in some reels, right? And 92% people trust the personal recommendations. Like, yeah, if a friend suggests me about a product, it would have a great probability of buying that product, right? Next, the social foundation. You see, the social proof theory and trust networks and cognitive load reduction plays a main key role in it. Next, the competitive advantage for us is the first mover in the AA plus social commerce. Like, it would be the first thing. Next, the network effects and the data modes and the sticky users via community. The business impact. The conversions would increase by 40% and the reduced returns will be decreased by 35%, which means the returns will be increased by 35% and the increased in AOV and CLV by 60%. Next, the architecture would be in the mainly three stages. First, the personal AI engine, next, the social intelligence layer, and third one is the privacy first framework. In the personal AI engine, the natural language processing and the constant context retention and the behavioral learning, this will be used. And secondly, in the social intelligence layer, the graph neural network trust scoring algorithm and the sentiment analysis will be used for a fine processing. And the next, lastly, the privacy first framework will be used where we have anonymized insights, granular controls, and the blockchain security. See, it's like an example, the experience flow. First, the natural conversation, like you use your preferences to it. Next, the AI processing. It processes based on your preference, like the rate budget you give, the interest, and the product data. Based on this, it processes in itself. Next, the social intelligence. It checks the network activity and from the trusted sources. Then the hybrid recommendations. See here, the AI recommends, like the AI suggests options with social proof. Next, the social validation. It facilitates group discussions and aggregate opinions. Next and finally, we purchase them. The core features here are conversational commerce, where it has natural language queries, context aware responses. Next, the social recommendation engine, trust based filtering, influence mapping will be used here. and the collaboration shopping, group decision tools, and split payment systems will be here. And next, finally, the predictive intelligence will be used here. The anticipator suggestions and the live event detection will be occurring. Next, the key implementation metrics here. In technical KPIs, the recommendation accuracy will be greater than 85% and the response time will be less than 2 seconds and the social network growth will be 20%. In the business KPIs, the conversion rate improvement will be increased by 40% and the return rate reduction will be decreased by 35%, which means the return rates will be increased by 35%. And the customer lifetime value will be increased by 60%, and well, in the user experience the KPIs will be time to purchase decision will be decreased by 50%, which saves the half the time, and the user satisfaction will be greater than 4.5 out of 5, and the community participation will be 80%. Like that, the Socialens AI transform the retail from the transactional to relational, creating the next generation of shopping experiences that are both deeply personal and socially intelligent. Thank you.